Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your math class. So, kids, data handling chapter we have finished, and now we are moving toward chapter number 17, and this chapter number 17 is let us get ready for the examination. So basically what we have to do in this chapter, the chapter is let us get ready for examination. Okay, now what we have to do in this chapter, अभी इसमें क्या है, from the chapter 1 to chapter 16 हर चैप्टर का कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन is given in this particular chapter. ठीक है. Now what we have to do, we have to do the revision of all those questions. मतलब जैसे question number 1 is write the number name, question number 2 is write the following number and figure, and before you ask me this question, yes, you have to do this chapter in your fair copy only, no other copy but your fair copy. Now if I talk about the first question, write the number name. If I talk about the very first question, the very first question is write the number name. So let me write the question also. Write the number name. Right? Write the number name. And write the number name. First question is 6405217. 6405217. Okay, 6405217 is the question. Now what we have to do, we have to write this given question in words. किसमें लिखना है, ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया है, this we have to write in words. Okay, so let us see. तो words में लिखने के लिए what is important? We have to count the place value ना. Let us count the place value. Okay, now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So Indian place value को follow करते हुए like this we have demarcated the period. Now ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We will start from this 64 lakh 5,217. What we will write? 64 lakh 64 lakhs 5,000 5,217. Okay, what we have done, we have written this number. देखो यहाँ पे numbers में था, हमने इसको किस में लिख लिया? We have written it in words. So the answer is 64 lakh 5,217. Now all the question will not be solved by me. सारा question मैम नहीं करेंगे, कुछ questions आप करेंगे. Let us see question number B now. Okay, I'm going to raise A part and I'm going to write the B. B part. Four 70801. Read करो. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 3 and then 2 and then 1. ठीक है. 470801. Write it in words. Okay. So 470801. Now, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So it will be, what it will be? 4,70,000, 4,70,000, 801, 801. Okay, this is the answer of this question. 4,70,801. This is question number B. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? This is question number B. Now, moving toward question number C. Question number C मैं इधर ही नीचे लिख रही हूँ. And this question number C, you guys will do yourself. ठीक है, इसमें मैम will not help. ये क्वेश्चन आप अपने से ही करने वाले हो. Question is 4600,389. 4600,389. Now solve this question. 4600,389. This is the question. Now what we have to do? Chalo. Let us see the. Now let us divide the period. ठीक है? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now यहाँ पे ध्यान क्या देना है? 1000 की जो प्लेस है वो क्या है? 1000 की प्लेस क्या है? वैकेंट है. वहां पे क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है. 1000 की प्लेस आपकी वैकेंट है. ओके, लेट्स सी. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 46,389. 1000 के लिए हम कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे. What we will write? 46,389. 46,389. So here we have done question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following numbers in figure. अभी क्या है? वर्ड्स में दिया है, आपको किस में लिखना है? यू हैव टू राइट इट इन फिगर. आपको इसको नंबर्स में लिखना है, न्यूमरल्स में लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट मी राइट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज द बोर्ड टू राइट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number A is 34,40,309. Let's see. 34,40,000 309. $34,40,309. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब हमें क्या पता चला है? 34,40,000. ठीक है, सो वी कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस. 34,40,000 and 309. 309. 309. 34,40,309. Okay. Now the next question is 40,04,404. So this will be 40,04,000. 4,000 and 404. 404. 40,04,404. ठीक है. Now question number C. 99,99,009. 99,99,000 and what? 9. Let's see. 99,99,009. 009. Why 009? Now see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. तो अभी ये क्या है? 99,99,009. 100 and tens की प्लेस पे क्या है? 100 और tens की प्लेस पे कोई भी न्यूमरल नहीं. So here we have done question number 1 and 2. Do question number 1 and 2. Then we will move toward the question number 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 करिए, फिर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ चलेंगे. Okay. Moving toward question number 3. So for that I have to erase the board, I guess. Question number 3 is writing the numbers in Roman numeral. ठीक है? नहीं, sorry, Roman numeral is given. We have to write the Hindu Arabic. ठीक है? Roman to Hindu Arabic we have to do. Let's see the question. Question number 3. Question you will write yourself. First question is X V I I. X V I. You have to write the what? You have to write the Hindu Arabic numeral for this. X V I. Now x, चलो इसको समझते हैं. Value of x is 10. This is 10 and plus VII is 7. So it is 27. It is what? It is 27. Right? Now D part. B part. LXXX VIII. LX triple X and VIII. चलो इसको भी इस तरह से ब्रेक करके करते हैं. ठीक है? In order to understand the question properly, let us break it and do it. Now L is what? L stands for 50. Right? L stands for 50. Now 50 plus 10 plus 8. 50 plus 10 plus 8. So 50 plus 30 80 and it will be 88, right? The number will be 88. Now, question number C. Question number C. Question number C is XCV. XCV. ओके, तो अभी हमें पता है अगर किसी ग्रेटर वैल्यू के, देखो C इज द ग्रेटर वैल्यू ऑब्वियसली 100 के लेफ्ट में अगर x लिखा है दैट मीन्स वो क्या हो रहा है, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. ग्रेटर वैल्यू के लेफ्ट में लिखा है दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज हैपनिंग देयर, सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ तो XC इज 90 and 90 plus 5 is equals to 95, right? Okay. Now next question is question number D. Question number D is XLIX. XLIX. Again, same thing is happening here also. L is a greater value. It holds a value of 50. 50 minus 10. So here I will get 40. And 40 plus IX is equals to 9. Answer for this question is 49. Okay. 49. Okay, so here we have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Next we will be moving toward question number 4. Chalo, till the time do this. Completed. Okay, moving toward the next question. Next is question number 4. I'm going to do it here only. Question number 4 vice versa. हिंदू न्यूमरल दिया है, हिंदू अरेबिक दिया है, आपको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, आपने कन्वर्ट करना है रोमन में, राइट? ओके, सो 58 विल बी 58 क्या होगा, 50 is L, 8 is right? What we have written, what we have got here, 58. Now next is question number 4B part is 89. 89 is, सबसे पहले we have to write for 80. Now 80 के लिए what will be the answer, L triple X, right? L X X X. And then 9 के लिए IX. So 89. Here we have done 88. Here we are doing 89. Right? Now question number C is 99. 95 we have done here. Now we have to do 99. Question number C is 99. And for 99, XC for 90, IX for 9. Question number D 74. Question number D 74 I am leaving for you guys to do yourself. Right? So here we have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4. In tomorrow's video we will be doing 5, 6, 7 and 8. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4 we have done, and in next video we will be doing 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So guys, this is it for today. Do complete this work in your fair copy, and don't forget to bring your holiday homework that I have given you once you will be here after your winter break. Okay guys, so we'll see you then. Take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.